For more than 6 decades, metformin has been the backbone of treatment for people living with type 2 diabetes. Affordable, widely available, and generally safe, it has long been prescribed to control blood sugar levels. Yet, despite its widespread use, scientists never fully understood exactly how it worked inside the body. Now, a new study from Baylor College of Medicine has revealed a surprising answer. Metformin doesn't just act on the liver or gut, it also works directly in the brain. A shift in understanding. Traditionally, metformin was believed to lower blood sugar by reducing glucose production in the liver and improving the body's sensitivity to insulin. Some research also suggested it had effects in the gut. But the latest findings point to a third, crucial player, the brain. Researchers focused on a region known as the hypothalamus, which acts as a central control system for energy balance and metabolism. Within this region lies a specific area called the ventromedial hypothalamus, VMH, which plays a key role in regulating glucose levels. The study found that metformin reaches this part of the brain and influences how it controls blood sugar. The role of RAP1 and brain cells. At the center of this discovery is a protein called EDRAP1. Scientists found that metformin works by switching off RAP1 activity in the VMH. This action helps regulate glucose metabolism more effectively. To confirm this, researchers conducted experiments on mice. When mice were genetically modified to lack RAP1, metformin lost its ability to control their blood sugar levels, even though other diabetes drugs continued to work. This strongly suggested that RAP1 is essential for metformin's function in the brain. The study also identified specific neurons, known as SF1 neurons, that become active when metformin is introduced into the brain. These neurons are directly involved in managing energy and glucose balance, further reinforcing the idea that the drug works through brain pathways. Why this discovery matters. One of the most striking findings is that the brain responds to much lower concentrations of metformin than the liver or intestines. This suggests that even small amounts of the drug can have a significant impact through neural pathways. This breakthrough could reshape the future of diabetes treatment. Instead of focusing only on organs like the liver, scientists may now develop therapies that directly target brain mechanisms, potentially making treatments more precise and effective. Beyond blood sugar control. Metformin's benefits may extend far beyond diabetes. Researchers have increasingly been exploring its role as a gerotherapeutic, a drug that could slow aspects of aging. Previous studies have suggested that metformin may reduce DNA damage, support healthy gene activity, and even slow brain aging. It has also been linked to a lower risk of age-related diseases and conditions such as long COVID. In one study involving postmenopausal women, those taking metformin showed a significantly lower risk of dying before the age of 90 compared to those on other diabetes medications. These findings hint at its potential role in promoting longevity. Safety and side effects. Despite its benefits, metformin is not without side effects. Many users experience gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, diarrhea, and abdominal discomfort. In individuals with kidney problems, the risks can be more serious, requiring careful medical supervision. What comes next? While these findings are promising, researchers caution that most of the current evidence comes from animal studies. Human trials will be essential to confirm how metformin affects the brain in people. Still, the discovery marks a major turning point in understanding one of the world's most commonly used medicines. A new perspective on an old drug. After 60 years of use, metformin is revealing new secrets. What was once thought to act mainly on the liver is now understood to also influence the brain, a finding that could open the door to entirely new approaches in treating diabetes and possibly even aging. As research continues, this familiar drug may prove to be far more powerful than anyone imagined.